But you see what's going on right now. A little slight action.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
Hey.
Yeah,
Grandpa, lot of hill, whole lot of drugs, lot of hill. Ain't Milan, that's another one on God.
Come on.
All this better in my system got me tweaked. You not on offense, pussy, we know you want defense. What's the bust, I'm cashing out anemia. She won't fuck this weekend. Pussy good, she got that little bit leaking. She swallowing semen.
Y'all see the decals. I still haven't put them on yet. But what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton. Back again with another video. As I can see by the title and the thumbnail, it's about to be madness. So Jordan and Robert hit me up to the limit to Fast Life Prince. We are about to do a night drive, POV drive. I'm going to scoop up my homeboy Brando. I need gas. I'm about to scoop my homeboy Brando. He can be riding passes with me, so he's gonna get all the footage. I'm gonna try to get some POV footage or some rollers of me, but we're gonna be causing havoc, but not too much havoc. You know, safe driver, me. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you comment. God damn it! If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. You never miss when I upload. And I'm gonna pick up back the camera when we get to the little meetup spot or whatever. This guy think he's fast now. He be doing pulls and crazy. When you start doing this, bro? When you started doing this? When you started acting like that? Why you trying to? You be in the traffic trying to outdo me? What do I mean?
I'll outdo you every time.
What do I mean? Shit clean. I ain't gonna lie. If I knew I was getting Infinity, I would have got a red one or a blue one. You know that, right? I never, like, when I got my car, I wasn't supposed to get my car. I went for a Scat Pack at that time. But if I knew I was going to get it, I would have got the red one or the blue one. The red one really, like, if you know me, favorite color red. I got to get my front windshield back, like my tints. I missed the front windshield tint is a must. But you see what's going on right now. A little slight action. It's like people right now waiting for a couple more people. And you finna go for a little drive. You see Brando the shooter right here. You feel me? Damn, my shit are hard. Yes, sir. That boy Brando again, he about to go to work. That boy about to go to work. He about to get the, yeah, feel me? He about to get the car in action, on. I don't know what he about to do, but he said he about to, this shit, the shooter, dude. He got a what? Look, that nigga Jordan smiling ear to ear, happy as hell. Happy as hell. But nah, that boy about to go to work right now. So, big.
That boy official. That boy, yeah.
I thought you had the shirt on. I was trying to zoom into your back. I was like, wait, you ain't got the shirt on? His shirt with his business type shit, but he about to probably get some rollers, pics of the cars. There's gonna be the crowd because a couple people had some things that happened. They ain't gonna be able to pop out, but there's gonna be a crowd, probably like 6-7 cars. Roll out, get some clips, enjoy the night, and things of that nature. But you feel me? Yes, sir. They coming in my lane, but I think they going in the turn lane. But we trying to get some rollers right now. Yeah, they be going to turn lane. So it gotta be like 1 to 3 type shit so you can get the rollers, you feel me? So I'm gonna have to stay in the far left and them boys gonna have to get in the far right. Somebody probably gonna text him or some shit, but they already wildin'. I'm like, hey man, let's get some rollers type shit. Nigga.
Tell them they going too fast, though.
Yeah, all right, I'm about to tell him. Like, yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell him. Cruising shit. Them boy wildin'. But yeah, let me tell him right now.
I think I got it.
Say you think you got it.
Hey, boy. Gang, gang.
Now, man, got some crazy rollers on the cam and shit like that, you feel me? But we headed to a spot right now, trying to get some pics in and shit, but this road is horrible. Nigga been dodging potholes all night, man. Damn. Sheesh. Man, that smell like someone cooking some barbecue, bitch. See it? See the Honda back there? You feel me? The Honda Easy. I don't know. I need me a GoPro or something, bro. I'm trying to. Oh, that boy hopping in. Cam man. That boy got that big jumbo motherfucker.
Oh boy, we got a good one.
Oh shit, I was just telling them boy, like, bro, I need a GoPro or something. I'm tired of holding my phone. Get a head mount or something.
Yeah, that shit. Ain't no joke.
That been heavy, ain't it?
Heavy going against the wind.
Oh, hear it. Yeah, niggas be wild in this shit. Look at these niggas. Like, them boys be gassing it. Hold on, let me see what Let me see what we got right now. Ooh, look at Joker, bro. It went from Batmobile to Joker. Evil twin.
Hold on.
Let me get to the right part. That bitch looking crazy. With the purple. Watch when I get my my RGB fucking side mirrors and do my headlights and shit. But that shit look crazy. Brando the real shooter. Real shooter, man. We outside. What, bro? I thought I was playing the content coming back better than ever. Like, it's been a humbling experience. I told you this 3 months without this right here changed the nigga. Oh yeah, that boy got them shits. He about to take pictures and shit. He about to ops. Look at this nigga. Like, yeah, like trolls outside, bitch. Look at them. Square ass niggas. Oh, they looking hard. Talking about they like, oh shit, these niggas got the cars and shit. These motherfuckers go, yeah. But nah, we about to find a little. I ain't gonna lie, this nice little scenery and shit. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we find a little spot. My hand getting tired. Fuck. As you can see what's going on. I don't got my Bluetooth on. Okay. You can see what's going on, taking pictures type shit. We couldn't find a spot that got like all of us, so got a little something right here. I wanted some different like lighting type shit, but you know, Brando getting to work, I'm getting to work. You feel me, Joker? See that purple? That purple hard. Got the boys out here. You feel me? FA5, clean ass SI, Core Sport. You feel me? Everyone lined up nice and clean, but for the most part, I think that's gonna wrap up the night. I ain't gonna lie, these 3 cars right here, fence. I'm probably gonna wrap up the night. We probably gonna get another cruise in type shit, but that's probably gonna be it for everything. Taking pictures, getting work, forever grinding. You feel me? Forever grinding. That's how you do
I don't work for free though.
Hey man, so that's gonna conclude today's video. We got some rollers in. This nigga don't know how to cruise. He always want to speed. He always want to be on some bullshit.
You just can't keep up.
I thought you wasn't fast.
Huh?
I thought you wasn't fast.
I'm not fast. That means you slow as shit.
Hey, this gonna conclude today's video, bro. If you're new to the channel,
you wanna do like just a cruise right by the beach, and then we just call it a night. Like we go that way through the tunnel, go up, and then we cruise right through the beach, and then call it a night.
I was about to end my video. He talking about cruise. Alright, so look like that's what we about to do. We about to do that and then end off the video.
We about to end this video. I said,
bro, cause we was just parking, chilling, bro. Niggas was getting bored, but we about to do like a little.
You getting bored? We all chilling.
Bro, y'all niggas got no lives, bro. Like, y'all.
You got no life. You was over here getting groceries earlier, bro.
So niggas can't get groceries? I'm confused. Yo, so niggas can't get groceries? Niggas can't get groceries.
I'm not gonna lie, you catching me at the wrong time before it came. I need to be in line up, bro.
Bro, he talking about getting groceries out of the normal. Like, you don't shop for yourself?
I do shop for myself.
So you can't get groceries on a Sunday?
I don't see you as the type of nigga to get groceries.
So,
that nigga say
that's racist. That's racist.
What are you talking about?
That's racist.
It's not racist.
That's racist.
No, it's not.
I don't seem like the type of nigga to get groceries.
You look like you make somebody get groceries for you.
What? Oh shit, that was a Porsche. Hey man, let's get this beach cruise in, bro. Let's get this. Oh, POV, look, he on bullshit. Talking about POV, bro. He on look. Damn, bro, this man always want to do some nut shit, bro. Look. These niggas not even fucking moving. I
don't know how to use these things. I usually use this.
Why is he stopping, bro? Bro, is he really holding up traffic just to do a pool? Tires, the gas not cheap, fuck all that. Nigga wild. After that, nigga about to go home, man. He made the block hot. Fuck. Alright, YouTube, I'm about to look, I hear this man. This man wanna be fast so bad, bro. I don't understand. Someone who says they not fast and always complaining about not running somebody always wants to speed and shit. I never understood that. But with that being said, I'm gonna end my video because these niggas about to tear up the streets and shit. I'm a responsible driver now, bro. I learned my lesson. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload.
Yeah.
Brando, you got anything to say?
Follow me on Instagram at Brando filmed it. Hopefully the nigga put it on the screen, you know what I'm saying? But yeah,
hey,
y'all finna
see
kind
of shit, 954 shit, shallow side shit.
For real.
A lot of ill, whole lot of kills.
It's been your boy Von, and I'm gone.
Hey. I ain't really never need you. Yeah, I ain't really never need you. Cook a nigga, bake a nigga like my name Anita. Yeah, I ain't really never need you. Yeah, I ain't really never need you.